Is maths an invention, or is it a discovery? We'll find out at the end of this video, but first, we have to find the difference between an invention and a discovery. An invention is something that was made by man, something that was just not seen in the whole entire universe if it wasn't for us. And discovery, it's something that already exists that humans have found themselves. They sound similar, but as we get through the video you'll see the difference. Now let's go through the discovery part. This is when the universe was formed. We're gonna have to go all the way back, 13.8 billion years ago. This black dot represents the universe. 13.8 billion years ago. The first unit of time and area represents the birth of maths. And this is very key, as we can see here, maths was born immediately when the universe was made. Now let's look at the invention part, what we made as man. Well, the Greeks and the Romans made digits and symbols to represent maths, as there was nothing there in the beginning. People were just counting the sticks and stones and there was nothing there. And this is a way of connecting our maths with the universe. And later on we see proof where the universe maths correlates with our human maths. And therefore, there's a divide between, was it an invention by mankind, or is it a discovery of something that has been uncharted for the past 13.8 billion years? Well, we see Pythagoras with his Pythagoras theorem, Archimedes with pi r squared to represent the area of a circle, and Hipparchus with trigonometry. Well, is this a discovery? Are all of these ideas discoveries, or are they inventions? Well, they're both. If it wasn't for maths being born, there would be no invention, and if it wasn't for the invention, there would be no symbols to represent these theorems. However, these theorems already exist. Even if it wasn't for our lettering and our invention of the letters, they would still be here. Now we're going to look at the example of how everything combines. Pi r squared, simple area of a circle. When we combine the logic of maths from the universe with our lettering, we find pi r squared. The logic plus the symbols that we use to this day equals our modern maths. Let's get another example here. Trigonometry, the logic of maths from the universe plus our symbols, our letterings, makes modern maths. Right here, as you can see, if it wasn't for logic of maths from the universe, it wouldn't be here. Now let's look at Pythagoras, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Same principle. If it wasn't for our lettering and the universe logic, then it wouldn't be here. So therefore, in conclusion, is maths an invention or a discovery by mankind? Well, modern maths, as you can see from the examples, is both. But if you want to determine by one singular word from either one, was it a discovery or an invention? Well, it's gotta be discovery, because if it wasn't for the universe being made, there would be no invention of letterings and symbols, and therefore it must be a discovery when you're determining the subject by two words. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like to the video, so then we know that you want to see more videos like this. And there's two tabs above the subscribe button that recommend you, from the YouTube algorithm, that recommend you to watch any of those videos. So I would recommend you to watch them, as that is what YouTube is recommending you. So do it, and thanks for watching.